They're off. Ooh, geez, too fast for me. Let's see that little ratty chew toy. Poor thing, just hanging by the shreds. His guts are coming out one end. I think Kipper sure has fun with them. Don't you, Kipper? How about you, Mozart? You want to play too? Yeah? Okay. Ling Ling.
Ready to get it?
He says, leave me alone for a while. I gotta beat it up first. I'm glad I have appointments for them to get their hair trimmed again. Oh, cute Ling Ling is after it. That's cute. Oh, Buddy, or Kipper thinks you're going to throw it, and sure enough you did. He anticipates it. He says, over here, Dad, over here.